In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix videos not playing on WhatsApp. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, let's say you're trying to view a video on WhatsApp and it's just not playing no matter what you do. So there's actually very simple methods to fix this. Firstly, locate your WhatsApp application and just open it up. Then all you want to do is go and scroll down in your settings area, which is on the bottom right, and then you want to scroll down and click on storage and data, which is right under notifications. You're going to see a lot of different options here, but on the bottom you're going to see media auto download, and then you're going to see video as the third option. So just go ahead and click on that, and by default it's actually set to Wi-Fi, but what you want to do is set it to Wi-Fi and cellular. That way, if you're out and about or if you're not connected to Wi-Fi, you can actually download videos and play them normally without your video lagging or anything like that. So just make sure it's done like that. You know, your upload quality whenever you're uploading stuff can also be HD quality, but that's also a secondary different thing, like separate to this video. And then all you want to do after this is, after it's set to Wi-Fi and cellular, you can swipe out, but what I'd recommend is also swiping out completely from WhatsApp and just restoring it and just clearing everything, and then you can open it again, try and play the video and see if that works as well. Then the next method is going over to your settings application. Then once you're in your settings, what you want to do is you want to go to general and then go to iPhone storage. Then once you're in your storage, it's going to show how much you've used, how much you have left, all of that stuff. Then you just want to search for the WhatsApp application. So we're just going to type in WhatsApp, then just open it up. And what you want to do is you want to press offload app. And it says this will free up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. So you're still going to have your number on it and everything, but it's going to clear any cache and anything that needs to be cleared, and basically just resets all like the junk that's on your WhatsApp. And then, if you open up WhatsApp again, your video should be working as it should.